VMA Robotics is an amazing platform for young engineers like you and me to explore our interests, to build our skills, and to grow through trial and error. When I joined, I didn't know what to expect, but through countless hours of building, testing, and teamwork, I've gained more than just technical skills. I've learned the value of perseverance and the thrill of bringing ideas to life. Every challenge has taught me something new, whether it's refining a design or managing time under pressure. Looking ahead, I'm excited to push boundaries, to explore innovative designs, and to mentor others. The possibilities here are absolutely endless.
I have learned a lot, especially I gained deeper understanding of engineering concepts, such as the mechanism and design process. And I also developed essential skills in collaboration within our team. However, we have faced numerous challenges, especially for me as someone who didn't have prior engineering background. But the result was effort, and it helped me to build the practical skills that are beyond the theoretical knowledge.
Being part of this program has been a transformative experience for me. It has given me the chance to work on VMA Robotics program, collaborate with amazing peers, and hand-on experience that I wouldn't have gained anywhere else. I've learned so much, such as some of the skills about building the robotics, and also some soft skills like robotic engineering design process can not only help me academically, but also can help me in a personal way.
Joining the VEX V5 competition has been one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. It's more than just about the building robots, it's about teamwork, problem solving, and continuous learning. I realized that no one can succeed alone. From the day we started doing this, we all have different skills and perspectives. Learning how to cooperate effectively has been crucial. Through VEX, I've learned how to cooperate, challenge systematically, test my ideas, and improve them. Working under pressure during competition has taught me how to stay clean and sit on my feet. Programming and designing robots have also given me hands-on engineering experience, which I never imagined I'd be able to do at my age.
Deciding to join the VEX competition, it has broadened my knowledge upon robotics and coding itself. It has let me learn the different coding types, the different uses for coding, and the different robots you can build and the uses for them. Now, this is a great stepping stone for me as a person who wants to become an engineer in the future. If you really want to become an engineer in the future, you should join the VEX competition.
Being in VMA Robotics team for 3 months, I've learned is not only learn the information technology skill and how to build robots, it also teaches our social skills, how to be a better person, better students, and better global citizens in the future.
Robotics is a very fascinating subject. It enables us to build a robot from a large concept to every component. And I'm also encouraging classmates near me to join.